Hello again. Today we decided we're going to venture to the outlet stores.
May or may not be the right way.
Yeah, we don't know. So we're just going to take you with us down this kind of creepy tunnel. Yeah.
Yay.
Look at some graffiti. Yeah, but it cuts through something more. Because we were near a parking garage when we, oh, I think this is the right way. This looks familiar to me from last time. Like little house decorations.
Look at that. Looks like we have some sketchy background and terrible things happening.
Terrible things, quite literally. There's some popos up there.
Oh, yeah.
Who knows what has happened in this alley? Dun dun dun. I was up there, that smells really gross. It smells like sewage.
Yeah.
No, we're not in the city at all. Ooh, that looks really cool. Look across the street. Wait, hold on. Not when there's a pole there. Wow, wow, West stuff. Ooh. Oh. Truck and pole. Check it out. That's part of Wild Wild West. It's awesome and decorative. What's going on?
Crossing the road.
Okay, we now cross the road, and now we're at this cool Wild Wild West back thing, so let's walk around, because this looks cool. Wild Wild West is a Western-style casino. It's owned by Bailey's, and we're actually staying at the regular Bailey's. But I thought this was really cool. Doesn't it just make you want to sing? Give me a home where the buffalo roam and the antelope play. As the seven trees up and the skies are not cloudy all day. Home, home on the range. But now we're out of the westernness. Here's Caesar's Palace. Ooh, we found Michigan Avenue.
Is that a Monopoly?
Yeah, I think it is. Sweet.
Hey, Michigan.
You see, Atlantic City has all the roads from Monopoly on it. So, one voyage we want to do one day is to find all the Monopoly roads, but I don't think we're going to do that on this trip. So,
I think there's some slums involved.
yeah, there is.
So, yeah, no slums today.
No, not today. Or at least nothing too crazy.
Hey, we're back in college all of a sudden.
Hey, Bailey! Yo, yo, what's up, dog?
Don't do that ever again. Never again. Don't do it.
It was funny! I'm gonna let you go now, and we'll catch you when we're not crossing lots of roads.